after a long time, I am talking with my table lunch, no, sorry, snacks table. So I will be eating and talking about myself or my journey. It's been, I think, 21 or 22 days today, and I'm happy that I'm posting regularly, which is quite good thing for me, especially because I used to drop the ideas or drop the videos in the bin after 7 to 8 days, but here I'm going, still going. So cheers for that, and let's talk now. First I will grab something sweet. This is my cup. My kurkure will be sober. So मैगी इज़ ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, बट बीच में ना एक बार ऐसा पॉइंट भी आया था व्हेन आई लेफ्ट ईटिंग मैगी, and it was momos, because by then I was living in Noida, and there this craze of momos was too much that I left Maggie. This is one of the best snack you can ever have. I try to do mukbang also, but there is also a problem of voice. I was not having mic, and now I am having mic which is not working properly. Like, it can not record that proper voice that I want while eating, and the camera and the setup and everything is not that much good. The big bites of Maggie, they are irreplaceable. The crunch of kurkure, it's amazing. डोरेमोन में ना एक एपिसोड है जिसमें उसके पास एक कप होता है जिसमें आप थोड़ा सा कुछ डाल दें, वो जितना बड़ा कप करोगे उतना सारा वो हो जाएगा. तो आई नीडेड दैट, एंड देयर वाज अ कारपेट ऑल्सो, dining carpet. I don't know what was the gadget name. You used to, like, just place it there where you want to eat, and just think about it, it will be in front of you, or just speak what you want to eat. One of my dream was to eat that much Maggie, like full of room, पूरी मैगी बनी हुई, and I'm eating and swimming in it. THV. I'm not a fan, a big fan, not a fan even of the BTS, but still जब आई गया सामने तो कैसे इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब it's okay, I don't want to say anything. One of my dream is, still there is a dream, that I want to own a confectionery shop, and in the ground floor it will be the shop, and in the first floor I will be living there, eating all the stuff. A dream is a dream. Whenever I will have a lot of money, I will first buy the food, the all the things that I have not eaten, and the ones which I love, like all the snacks, total snacks. All the types of ramen, momos, biscuits, cookies, namkeens, chips, kurkure. Kurkure is a brand name. All the this munch, whatever it is. I will eat from Burger King, McDonald's, Rolls King, and Domino's, Pizza Hut, from everywhere, till I'm not like, I don't want to eat now. That food, the street food you wanna say, or till I wanna eat khichdi for a whole week. I know I'm not that much good in speaking and eating by looking, but I love myself. I want to do a mukbang with a lot of things. Yesterday I ate 6 rotis with ghee, tori ki sabzi, kadhi, 2 sandwiches, veg sandwiches, proper, a big one, and 1 bhutta, that is corn, a whole corn, roasted. That to be in one go. Maggi is done. I didn't find a place to sit and to do this. I changed almost 6 to 7 places. Then I was like, just sit in and do. The very important thing is just do. You know, after that perfect place or the perfect lighting or the perfect view, or with the overthinking, just do it. Don't take a lot of things in your mind. Just open your camera, place your things, or just start doing the stuff you want to do. Yes, I have made this today, and my mother said where it will help you. I didn't have anything to say that time, but I think this is one of my talent I'm having. I'm good at drawing. I'm good. I'm not an artist, but I'm like, it's not like I'm zero, it's not like I'm 100. I'm in between, and that's okay. I can draw this, by the way, and this is really looking very beautiful. I loved it, yaar. And it just take, I think, almost 15 to 20 minutes to draw this, or I don't know, maybe I'm having that video, I will show you, like I will upload it. Just check in the description if you want to see how I पता नहीं क्या बोलेंगे मैंने इसको कैसे बनाया है. I can this whole bottle, whole cup. एक तो मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी बर्बाद होती जा रही है ना. होल कप. All done. I am happy today. I can eat a lot of things. Well, let's get back. This was the celebration of posting around 22 days regularly without overthinking, without thinking that it is perfect or not, and without thinking will it be good enough to post or not, or without thinking that how I'm looking, what is the location, what I'm speaking, everything. Like I just ignored everything. I just posted without any editing. I didn't do any editing. You can see in my videos also. If I'm not having anything to post also, then also I'm posting something which is like I'm having in my camera as I recorded, because if I have recorded something, I know it doesn't mean that it is really very good to post, but still I did, to feel that okay, I will be posting without thinking anything. If it is good, then also okay. If it is not, then also okay. I just have to post regularly, consistently. Actually, the problem is that I was not able to talk. I was not talking to most of the people, or in my home also I used to trash crack. मतलब लड़ाई बहुत होती थी घर में. सिर्फ there are 4 members, father, mother, 2 brothers. One brother is outside, so my younger one was here. Sorry. So there were 3 people, and with 2 people I don't having a good bonding, because I used to fight with them. I don't know why. And there is only one who is not able to accept me as I am, but still he talks to me and motivate me for doing everything. So that's it. So I think there was the problem that I was not talking, and इसलिए जीभ लड़खड़ाती है मेरी. मैं नहीं बोल पा रही थी इंग्लिश में. देयर आर सम, इफ़ आई एम स्पीकिंग करेक्ट ऑल्सो ना, देन ऑल्सो आई एम लाइक कि यार नहीं गलत बोल दिया, ऐसे ग्रामेटिकली ठीक नहीं है, या फिर ये सेंटेंस ही गलत है, या फिर इसको ऐसे नहीं, इसका वर्ब गलत है, इसका पता नहीं क्या क्या. देयर वर a lot of things in my mind, and I will try to improve it. And there is one quote, a sentence I have read yesterday, that if you are feeling not feeling good in speaking or in public speaking, or you want to uh, you know improve your speaking skills, then read a para, and with a good voice, like read the para like with your voice loud, and record it as many times as you feel that this is not good, I'm not speaking in a correct way. Record it until, if you are at the 99th of recording and you feel like now this is good, then leave it. With this you will have that confidence in you that you are speaking good, your voice is good, and you are not having that silly mistakes or minor mistakes, or that triggering in your voice, that fluctuation in your voice, or the words are correct, the pace is good, the voice is loud, and the words are correct, like you are speaking in the good pronunciation, with good pronunciation. So just record it and then upload it somewhere, wherever you want to, so that people will see that okay, there, like you will have that confidence, okay, now people will listen to me. Like just record that audio and just upload it. So I will do this also one day, But right now I'm with my 180-day challenge to post regularly, consistently, with improving myself, like while drinking or doing the prayers, or just waking at the same time, or sleeping at the same time, eating at the same time, which I'm not doing anything. I'm just sleeping at the same time and waking up at the same time. That is around 1 p.m. in the morning. Sorry, but it's okay, I think. Whew. Bye. Have a good day. I had a good meeting with you all.